Grade 10, para dun sa mga humahabol pa sa tanong about graphing your circle. So, you have three cases here. Yung first one, you have x squared plus y squared is equivalent to 16. So, pagka ganyan na form, wala kayong raised to the first power, kagaya nito, na may walang x tsaka y. Ang conclusion nyo pag ganito, ang inyong center is 0, 0. So, ito, it follows the equation or yung ating equation ng circle na x squared plus y squared is equivalent to r raised to the second power. Again, x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Parang sa ating Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equivalent to c squared. Okay? So, dito ngayon, x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Ang concern nyo lang dito is yung radius niya. So, since r squared, makikita ninyo dito, r squared is 16. So, therefore, r squared is 16. Kukunin ninyo ang square root ng both sides, which means na yung r is equivalent to 4. Okay? And then, ang center ninyo is 0, 0, or which is the point of origin. Ito siya. So, count 4 lang to the right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, isa sa mga point that will satisfy your equation is yung point ninyo na 4, 0. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kung 4 yung x, so, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 0 squared. Kasi nga, ang point natin is 4, 0. So, 16 plus 4 is equivalent, or 16 plus 0, I should say, is equal to 16. So, 4, 0 is one solution. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4 is another one. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you have a negative 4, 0. And then, you have 0, negative 4. So, all these points are already possible points that will satisfy your equation. So, all you have to do is to connect these points making use of your compass. Okay? So, gagawin nyo lang, isi-circle nyo lang to, and that is already the equation of your circle. Okay? Hindi ako nagtitipid ako ng oras. So, ganyan ang mangyayari niyan. So, again, this is having a radius of 4. So, lahat ng mga points dyan, magsasatisfy sa equation na yon. Okay? But, these are already some of the points that you can use. So, yan ang form niya kapag x squared plus y squared is equivalent to your r squared. Yan yung simplest one. Ngayon, yung second example, you have x minus 3 quantity squared plus y plus 4 quantity squared is equivalent to 5. So, tandaan naman ninyo ang form dito. It's no longer yung center niya, hindi na sa origin. So, itong form na to, ito yun yung x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equivalent to r squared. Okay? So, anong kailangan natin dito? We have the h and the k as your center. Okay? So, dito, para makuha ninyo yung h ninyo, you equate this to 0. So, kung titignan natin doon, x minus 3, sabi niya, x minus 3 is equivalent to 0. Therefore, x is equivalent to 3. So, ito yung magiging h natin. Okay? And then, y plus 4 is equivalent to y plus 4 is equivalent to 0. Therefore, y is equal to negative 4. So, itong negative 4 na to, yun yung magiging k. Yan yung magiging k natin. So, therefore, hk will be 3, negative 4, which is found in the fourth quadrant. 3, negative 4. So, 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, and then negative 4. You have to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung ating center dun sa second na equation natin. Okay? And then, you have the radius is, or r squared is 5. Okay, r squared. R squared daw is equivalent to 5. So, since 5, irrational number to. So, r now is the square root of 5. Mag-approximate na lang kayo. Since you know that your square root of 5, that is between 4 and 9, which are perfect squares. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating square root of 5 will be found between 2 and 3. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? From your point here, which is now, ano ang center natin? It is 3, negative 4. Okay? Magmo-move kayo ng 1, 2, tapos somewhere here. Anong gagawin natin dyan sa point na yan? It will be a point which is ang 3 plus square root of 5. And then, mami-maintain lang yung negative 4. So, that is already one point in your, that will satisfy the equation. So, anong gagawin lang natin? Iko-connect lang natin. You can make use of your compass already, and then this will be the distance between them, which is the square root of 5, and then you can already create your circle. Okay? Parang 2, and dito yung mga points na yan. So, you will have that as your circle. Okay? Hindi ko na pino-perfect yung circle. Wala akong compass dito sa bahay. Okay? Yan yung magiging circle ninyo. Nakuha? So, that is your equation of your circles kapag given ang standard form. Standard form yan. Ang didiscuss kong next is when you are given the general form naman. Eto. Okay? I cut ko muna to.